Welcome to Lockt CloudAccess course LCA-NX-200, Nexkey. In this course, you will learn the features that are specific to Nexkey within Lockt CloudAccess. These features include claiming locks and assigning Nexkey-specific access levels to users. You will also learn some important key topics that are specific to Nexkey. Lockt CloudAccess supports all Nexkey hardware as outlined in course LCA-110. For additional information, please refer back to that course. Lockt CloudAccess serves as the master controller for all access data, including data related to Nexkey. As such, Lockt becomes the owner of all Nexkey locks managed by CloudAccess. Additionally, Lockt only issues group keys to users. In standalone Nexkey, this is an option. For Lockt CloudAccess, it is the standard. For installers, admin keys will be temporarily provided by Lockt, and then replaced with group keys once installation is complete. Finally, the Nexkey customer portal is not used when using Nexkey hardware integrated with Lockt CloudAccess. It is important to know when Lockt CloudAccess is the best fit for a Nexkey customer. Nexkey standalone is a better fit for smaller customers, or those that have relatively simple or straightforward requirements. Lockt CloudAccess is a better fit for Nexkey customers that have complex management structures and want those structures reflected in their access control platform. For example, if a customer has numerous locations broken into regions, and they want to have regional managers have access to only the data in their respective region, Lockt CloudAccess provides that capability through location-based management. It is also a better fit for customers that want to run multiple access technologies within a single user interface, and for those that want video management system integration. Finally, Lockt CloudAccess provides an open API for those customers that want to perform complex integrations with other systems. On the Access Devices menu, click Nexkey Locks. To add a new Nexkey lock, click the plus sign to the upper right. Enter your lock's serial number into the lock ID field. Click on the Save button to confirm changes. This will take you back to the Nexkey Locks screen where your new device is visible. By default, the newly added lock will have the name Nexkey plus the lock ID. To edit the lock details, click the Edit button to the right side of the table. Click into the Name field and enter a new name for the device. Click into the Description field to enter a description for the device. From here, you can also set the unlock time, location, business hours, and enable or disable the proximity unlock and 2FA unlock options. Click on the Save button to save the changes. In the Configuration menu, click on Access Levels. Create a new access level by clicking on the plus icon to the upper right. Click into the Name field. Enter a name for the new access level. Click into the Schedule field. Select the schedule that applies to this access level. Select the schedule that applies to this access level. Click into the Location field. Select the location that applies to the new access level. In the list of locks, select one or more Nexkey locks. A Nexkey icon will appear beside the available Nexkey locks. When completed, click the Save button. The access level is now available to assign to a user. Under Configuration, click Users. The Users screen, as with other lists in Lockt CloudAccess, can be filtered down using the search box. In this case, we will look for our training user. Once you locate your user record, click the Access Manager icon on the right side of the table. In the screen that appears, you will see a list of access levels. This screen manages all access levels for a given user. However, Nexkey has a special rule in place. Only one access level containing Nexkey devices can be assigned to a user at a time. Please consider this in your system planning and when creating access levels. Check the radio button next to the access level you wish to assign. Click the Save button. Once saved, you can return to the User Manager by clicking Return to User Manager. The access level is now applied to the user. Nexkey access levels generally apply and update keys nearly instantly. Once applied, please verify with your user that access is available. This concludes this course. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in another course.